morning, everybody. It's Curtis. Welcome to the Curtis Minor Experience. I'm about to take the Black Chariot, or Midnight as I call it, the 2016 Chevy Silverado, to the Valvoline place and change the motion lotion or motor oil. Just wanted to get on here and say good morning and let everybody know that I'm at 415 subscribers. You know, it may not be that important to some people, but I'm really trying to get to 500. And I'm also at 1479 on my watch time hours for 365 days. So I'm enjoying everything. If you been under a rock, I posted a bunch of videos yesterday. I got tires on the trailer, and I went and got a load of cherry and oak from my little honey hole, my little undisclosed location. They give me loads of wood on my trailer for next to nothing. And so look forward to more content, me dumping that load that's on the trailer and processing that up. And the next few days, I'm gonna be the wood that I had left after this snowstorm. I'm gonna stack all of that on the pallet row and just wait until I get some more people who want pickup truck loads or half cord loads, whatever. So, but I'm about to pull up to the Valvoline right now, and you guys have a good day. Let me show y'all. Pulling up here, gonna sit here and wait until I'm next, and then I'll head later to the wood yard to start stacking wood. I'm not dressed for the occasion, so I got to swing back by my house and get ready to work today. I just dropped Diamond off at her job, and I got to be back to pick her up at 6 o'clock. This YouTube journey is the long game, you know. I was going back and forth because, you know, there's so much stuff out there telling you, oh, you can do this, you can do that. But I'm going to tell you, if people don't want to watch your content, they're not going to. So these guys are in here scrambling like little ants inside that place. I like the Valvoline place because, hey, what's up?
How can we help you out today?
I'm just getting an oil change.
Okay, sounds good. I'm just going to scan you in real quick, and then we'll get you in there as soon as possible, okay?
All right.
Thank you so much.
Uh-huh.
Actually, I'm going to have you go over to the right side, because that'll be faster for you, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
They giving directions. Newer model Chevy Silverado in front. That looked like a 2019 or better. But this one I'm in is a 2016. And I've been coming here since I had this truck, so it's been about 4 years. And they've always treated me right here. It costs a little extra for them to do everything, but I can sit right in my truck and do whatever it is I'm doing while they're working. They'll tell you open the hood, turn the vehicle or turn it off. This is what your filter looks like, all of that. So I enjoy it, but you guys stand by. We'll get with you later on today with some more content. Like, share, subscribe if you haven't already.